Greetings fellow foodies. On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of restaurants to go to while in Rome. Part 2. We have great demands for more restaurants options and there are so many great restaurants to choose from. The followings are our disclaimer. Our recommendations are based on price, taste, originality, hygiene, restaurant environment, hospitality, food presentation, family friendly. The video will have pictures of food and restaurant in hope that you can sense the ambience within and decide which one is the most well suited for you and your loved ones. Some of the pictures presented are solely for reference, and some of the pictures are from the restaurant's profiles and specifications. The pictures are presented in an easy layout in hope to give better information for the viewers and future potential visitors. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you. Welcome! And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you. Welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice of top restaurant to visit in Rome will be La Tavernetta. With food focus on Italian, pizza, seafood, Mediterranean, European, Romana, Lazio, and Central Italian, with options for vegetarian-friendly and vegan options, and gluten-free options. The meal suggestion will be Brunello wine, sorbet, limoncello, Pantone, Polo Romana, Noci Salmon, Ossobuco. Our number two choice will be Chipasso Bistro, a Michelin star. Price starting from $18 to $60. With food focus on Italian, Mediterranean, European, Romana, Lazio, and Central Italian. We'd suggest that you try the zucchini salad, the tuna tartare, the octopus, the chocolate cake for dessert, the beef carpaccio, spaghetti, and Etna wine. Our number third choice will be Mastrocia, Austria, Pinzeria Bistro. With food focus on Italian, pizza, seafood, Romana, Central Italian, Mediterranean, with vegan options. And the meal that we suggest will be burrata, sauté cosè en congole, pizza, spaghetti bolognese, and gnocchi. You also want to try the lamb. Our number fourth choice will be Ristorante Crispy 19, with price starting from $60 to $119. We suggest that you try the fish tasting menu and tiramisu for dessert. Our fifth suggestion will be Rione 14 Bistro. Try the lasagna and rigatoni with panna cotta for dessert. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram, JazzyFeast. Until next time, bye!